Hi, we are so happy to see you here. Before we get started, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we upload a new video to our channel. If you have successfully set up your internet router and now you're trying to configure your Wi-Fi network, you're in the right place. A router is a device that communicates between the internet and the wireless device that's connected to the internet. As its name implies, a router routes traffic between the internet and the wireless device. With the right kind of router in your home, you may be able to enjoy greater internet speeds while shielding your family from cyber threats and, most importantly, those maddening Wi-Fi dead spots. With that being said, you may not have access to the same router that I do for the purpose of this DIY video. So it's very important you pay careful attention to the steps in order to successfully configure your router settings. So let's get started. Once your internet router is successfully set up, you have two configuration options: secured versus non-secured. Option A, download the app and connect. Today's routers can typically be set up using a mobile app that automatically walks you through the setup process. Number 1, head to the settings on your wireless device and choose the Wi-Fi network option. Number 2, look for your router network's name. Number 3, your router should have a default SSID printed in the back and a default network key. Number 4, use this network's key to log into the network. Fun fact, some brands right now have implemented a QR code where you can scan to complete this process. Once connected, launch the router management app to begin configuring your settings. Now, option B, if your router does not have an app, connect your computer manually using an Ethernet cable. Once you're connected, head to the configuration page. This page is hosted on your router and is a traditional way to configure your settings. While how to find what can vary, it almost always means typing 192.168.1.1 into the address bar of your preferred internet browser and hitting the enter button. If you find the page, go ahead and jump to the next step. If that address does not work, you will need to consult your router's official documentation or instruction manual to complete the configuration process. Now, step 1. Create a username and password. Your router app should then automatically walk you through the setup procedures. For most new routers, you will be asked to create an SSID name and password. SSID is short for Service Set Identifier. All wireless networks have an SSID, in everyday terms often only known as network names or Wi-Fi names. You need to know or find this name in order to connect to a wireless network, usually in combination with a Wi-Fi password. Make sure your password is unique and secure. If anyone gains access to your password, they can do very damaging things to your network. When finished, the app will configure network settings and finish up setting up your network. Now that you've already connected and configured your wireless router, plus any additional router and access points, you can now start connecting your wireless devices so that they can access the internet without any messy cables or cords. IceNet Wireless does not have access to your internet router and is not responsible for any issues that may come from it. Thanks for watching till now. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we upload a new video to our channel.